Hello class 9th, welcome in today's class. Today we will do chapter 3rd, which is coordinate geometry. And now today we are starting exercise 3.2. We had already done the concept of this chapter, that is coordinate geometry, in previous video. Now today we are starting exercise 3.2. Students, we have given this figure and we have to find the coordinates of B. So students, I have already explained that coordinate is always represented in the form of x comma y. So first, where is B? This point is B. X comma y, where it meets to x, minus 5, comma y, where it meets to y axis, that is 2. So that means coordinate of B is minus 5 comma 2. So it will be minus 5 comma 2. The next question is the coordinates of C. This is point C. So first x comma y. So first we will check x. It is 5 and y. It is y axis minus 5. So coordinate of C will be 5 comma minus 5. Next, the point identified by the coordinates minus 3 comma 5 minus 5. We have to find the name of this coordinate. Where is x is minus 3, y is minus 5. X is minus 3. It is x is minus 3 and y is minus 5. Minus 5, that means below the x-axis minus 5. You can check, it is minus 5. So x is minus 3, y is minus 5. This point is E. So the answer will be point E. The next, the point identified by the coordinates 2 comma minus 4. That means x is 2, positive 2. Here x is 2 and y is minus 4. So below x-axis minus 4. This one is minus 4. That means it is point G. So our answer will be point G. Next, the abscissa of the point D. First we will check where is point D. This one is point D. Abscissa means x coordinate of the point, where it meets to x-axis at 6. So abscissa is 6 and ordinate is 2. But in this question we have to find only abscissa. So abscissa will be 6. Now the ordinate of point H. Where is point H? This one. Abscissa where it meets to x-axis, that is minus 5, and ordinate where it meets to y-axis minus 3. We have to find only ordinate. So ordinate will be minus 3. Clear? The coordinates of the point L. Where is point L? This one. Students, you can see point L is here. This one is point L. Now point L lies on y-axis. This line is the y-axis and I have already explained, any point which lies on y-axis, then x coordinate of that point will be 0. The point, this point, it will be the form of x comma y. Y is 5. Here y is 5. But what will be the x? X will be 0. So coordinates of point L will be 0 comma 5, because on y-axis x is always 0 and on x-axis y is always 0. Clear? Now the coordinates of point M. This one is point M. Student, again see, it will be represented in the form of x comma y. What is x? X is minus 3 here. So x is minus 3 and y will be 0 because this point lie on x-axis. On x-axis y is 0, on y-axis x 0. So coordinate will be minus 3 comma 0. Is it clear? Now exercise 3.3. Next, Question number first. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, these points lie? We have to find the quadrant or axis. Now students, I have already explained it. Now see. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. We have to make the graph of these points. We have to locate these points. So first is -2, 4. Point is -2, 4. X is negative, y is positive. This one, x is negative, y is positive. It is the quadrant second. So first point will lie on second quadrant. Clear? Now second is 3, -1. X is positive but y is negative. X is positive, y is negative. It is the fourth quadrant. So next will be at on fourth quadrant. -1, 0. Students, you can see here the y coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 0 is always at x axis. Y coordinate 0 कब होगा? When it will be on x axis. Clear? So this point lie on x axis, not in any quadrant. This will lie on x axis. Clear? Next is 1, 2. Both are positive. Both are positive. That means in first quadrant. Then -3, -5. Both are negative. Both are negative. That means they will lie in the third quadrant. Students, this thing you will do. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. You will locate these points in the graph paper and you can see that this point is in second quadrant or not. This is in fourth, x-axis 1, 2 is first quadrant and this one is third quadrant. You can check. Clear? The next question. Now the question, plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane choosing suitable units of the distance on the axis. We have given this table, students, and we have to locate these points in on Cartesian plane, that means in graph. We have given -2, 8, -1, 7, 0, -1.25, 1, 3 and 3, -1. So this is our graph. Now listen, our first point is -2, 8. X is -2. It is -2. -8. Students, in this graph the y-axis is at only 6. So we can identify this point is 7 and we can assume this one is at 8. So the point -2, 8, -2, 8 here. This will lie at this point. We are assuming that this one is 8 on y-axis. So x is -2 and y is 8. This point A represent first point -2, 8. Second one is -1, 7. X is -1 and it is 7. So this point will be 7. So this point is -1, 7. Third one is 0, -1.25. Students, x coordinate is 0. That means this point lie on y-axis, because on y-axis x coordinate is always 0. So on this line this point will lie. But where on y-axis? Where the value of y is -1.25. Students, -1 and -2. Exactly middle there will be -1.5, but we have to identify -1.25. So we can take here approximate. So this point is -1.25. This point represents 0, -1.25. We have taken the approximate value. Next is 1, 3. X is 1, y is 3. So this point will be 1, 3. And last one is 3, -1. X is 3 but y is -1. So this point approx, this point will be 3, -1. Is it clear, students? So we have done exercise 3.2 and 3.3 completely. Now thank you very much, students. Stay home, stay safe. If you have any doubt, then write in comment box. Thank you very much.